You're going to have this slide to complete on the next slide, but I wanted to quickly go over what the directions were and do point A with you. So what you're going to do is read the directions for A, B, and C. This is the coordinate plane that we just analyzed from before. So if you remember, you can also put your data into an organized table like this one. So first thing they want you to do is look at points A, B, and C. And using your information from before, you're going to put in your ordered pairs for A, B, and C. So I'm going to do A with you first, and then you're going to do B and C on the next slide, and then I'll explain what to do for your next part. So remember before we went 0, 2. 0, 2 was our ordered pair for A. So in this table, I'm going to put 0 for the x-axis and 2 for the y-axis. So you're going to do the same thing for B and C, okay? Part B over here is asking you to use the coordinates for F and place F on the coordinate plane, okay? Ignore the part where it says from the previous page because I put the grid for you here. So it wants you to go 4 to the right on your x-axis, and it wants you to go up 3. 4, 3 is the ordered pair here. So you're going to do that on your next slide, and you're going to put the point. And notice how you put the letter next to your point, okay? And then for part C, which you can just write down here at the bottom on your next slide, explain how you can tell from the table which 2 points are located on the same vertical grid line. Vertical meaning left to right. So what 2 are on this vertical, the same on the vertical, using the table here. Obviously, vertical is your x-axis. And after you put in A, B, and C into your table, I want you to analyze your table. You're going to look in the x-axis and see which ones have the same number as their x-axis. Okay?